Chapter 8. Next topic, causes of, page number 96. Causes of low productivity of agriculture. Causes of low productivity of agriculture. First one is institutional. Institutional factors. Second one is technological factors. And third one is other factors. So three reasons are there: institutional factors, technological factors, and other factors. Now, institutional factor first. First one is land revenue collection system. Land revenue collection system. Second one is agricultural finance. Third, agriculture marketing. Fourth one is social structure, rural social structure. These are institutional factors: land revenue collection system, agriculture finance, then agriculture marketing, rural social structure. Second, technological factors, then other factors. In other factors, 2 points: pressure of population, second, lack of economic planning, These are the points regarding causes of low productivity of agriculture. In technological factors, we can write important points: hybrid seeds, modern equipment, chemical fertilizers, and pesticides. These points you have to explain. Institutional factor: land revenue collection system, agriculture finance, then agricultural marketing, rural social structure. Second one is technological factor, in which you have to explain about hybrid seeds, modern equipments, chemical fertilizers, pesticides. In other factors, 2 points are there: pressure of population and lack of economic planning. Those who are preparing notes, first of all, write down points. Now, explanation of first point: land revenue collection system. Land revenue collection system. First point for explanation. In land revenue collection system, during independence, revenue collection system were prevailed, like zamindari system, रैयतवाड़ी tax system, and Meherwadi system. First point, during independence, these are the methods of revenue collection system. Under this collection system, zamindars or landlords collected a major proportion of total production, by small or marginal farmers. Under this system, zamindars or landlords collected a major proportion of total production by small or marginal farmers in the form of rent. In the form of rent we can say, or tax. Any one word you can write. And last sentence. So small farmers did not interested in producing more food grains on their land. Did not interested in producing more food grains on their land. As a result, agricultural productivity became low. First point. So small farmers did not interested in producing more food grains or more produce. They are not producing more on their particular land. As a result, agriculture productivity became low. First, during independence, revenue collection system were provided like prevailed like zamindari system, rayatwadi system and meherwadi system. Under this collection system, zamindars and landlords collected a major proportion of total production by small farmers or marginal farmers. Marginal farmers are those farmers who have no land or less than 1 hectare land in the form of rent or tax. So small farmers did not put more efforts in producing food grains or any other product on their particular land. As a result, agricultural productivity as well as productivity per labor both became low. First point, explanation completed. Those who are preparing notes, they can write down. Second, agricultural finance. Agricultural finance. Second point. During independence, or you can write instead of that, in India. In India, majority of population is depend on agriculture. Majority of population is depend on agriculture, and in rural area farmers were facing the situation of poverty. They are not able to invest on their agriculture land. For this purpose, they need finance. So they have to depend on money lenders and landlords. Who are imposing or charging, higher rate of interest, So farmers are not interested to invest on their land with the borrowed money. So agricultural productivity become low. Third one is agriculture marketing. Last one, agriculture marketing. Agriculture marketing. After independence, government was not able to improve infrastructural facilities like road, transportation, etc. They had not connected agriculture market to rural area. So small farmers had to sell their produce to the local traders at cheaper rate. This discouraged farmers to produce more on their agricultural land. Fourth point, leave it. These are causes of agriculture. हटा दो, बंद कर दो. Now chapter is completed. अब बंद कर दे दो.